7 tips of using Facebook as a single mom for a side hustle. Ladies, we're here at singlemomsmakemoney.com. Want to thank you. Please hit the like button and let others know about Single Moms Make Money. Are you addicted to Facebook? Do you spend a lot of time on Facebook looking through the newsfeed, viewing memes and watching video clips? You may come to regret your Facebook dependence at some point. Discovering the business potential hidden inside Facebook will be a pleasant surprise. Even better is that you can start working on these company ideas and create a solid profit on your own. Do you want to know more? To learn more about creating a side company on Facebook without a large investment, continue watching this video. Here are some facts about Facebook and why it is a good place to start a company. These facts are critical for every entrepreneur or company owner who wants to reap the advantages of Facebook in the most effective manner possible. What makes Facebook a good fit for side businesses? To state that Facebook is the most popular social media network on the internet is not what I am concentrating on. It's a well-known fact. If you operate a company, you'll want to know how Facebook can help you. Facebook's artificial intelligence tracks a user's online behavior outside of Facebook. When a person scrolls through their news feed, Facebook display relevant adverts. Would you mind taking a look at this? Go to Google and search maybe for Bluehost hosting services. And then go to Facebook to share your findings. You will start seeing Bluehost or other hosting-related adverts in your newsfeed. Because Facebook's AI recognized that you were looking for a web hosting provider. This resulted great, isn't it? Every day, more than 750 million people log on to Facebook. Every day. The typical Facebook user logs in for around 50 minutes. Great figures. Am I correct? With Facebook pages, you can make it easier for people to learn more about your companies. This is a great approach to keep your clients interested in your products, to build your company's brand and reach new customers. Facebook is a fantastic tool. Customers and following may also be built. These are some of why Facebook is the best location to start a company. Look at the various business ventures you may begin working on right now. On Facebook. Several side businesses don't need a lot of money to get off the ground. A regular Facebook user knows how to run a successful company. Let's get started with the list: establishing and maintaining pages on Facebook. Facebook page management and posting, something you could be interested in. Then you'll be able to earn a few $1,000 a month from this company. Maintaining a company's Facebook business page requires a constant presence on the social network. It's all about posting material from corporations, responding to conversations, promoting postings, work for as many organizations as possible. There's no reason to limit yourself to a single company page. The more pages and rewards you earn from this company. If you work consistently and provide excellent outcomes. Do you know where to look for business pages? It's a bit difficult to secure business in this industry. However, you may be able to get in touch with some local company owners who aren't on the internet or social media. As a social media manager, you need to demonstrate to your audience the value of having a company profile on social media and how well you manage it. You may do this by becoming an ad manager on Facebook. As you can see, this job earns a lot of money. However, in this line of work, only outcomes are considered. I'm now working in this line of work. Thus, it's a favorite of mine. You may also use a better hack to obtain leads by sending messages on the business pages of people you know. Spend 10 minutes scrolling through your social media feeds. By clicking on the ad links that appear in your Facebook feed, you may learn more about the businesses. If you're interested in working with the creators of any particular page, please get in touch with them directly. This is a certain winner. In addition, you may make and sell your graphics. Do you have any specialized knowledge in graphic design to generate posters and banners? If that's the case, apply now. This feature is available on Facebook Instant Articles. Do you have a blog or a website? Did you use AdSense or another advertising partner to display adverts on your website similar to Google AdSense? Facebook Instant Articles likewise places advertisements on the websites of its publishers. The Facebook ad program pays based on the number of impressions and estimated cost per 1,000 ad impressions. When someone clicks on your link to one of your Instant Articles enabled websites, the Facebook app launches automatically. Every website loads immediately. There is no waiting. The Facebook app is the sole way to access a website's ad inventory. Mobile internet users can only make use of this at the moment. However, their CPM is excellent. Between $10 and $30 is available for every 1,000 ad impressions. You may expect to earn between $10 and $30. Ad clicks will help you make more money using this program. Unlike other ad networks, Google AdSense only pays for ad impressions. An excellent place to begin with instant articles is with a large fan base on Facebook. Flipping Facebook pages is a fifth method of doing this. Fan pages may also be sold or flipped. You may establish your own Facebook pages and resell them for a profit. If you know how to grow your fan base on the social media platform, fan pages may be purchased and resold for a profit if you don't want to develop your own. These are both excellent places to start. As to why Facebook pages are purchased. Some types of Facebook pages may only be bought and sold. It is not necessary to purchase from every kind of website. For businesses and bloggers, purchasing Facebook pages related to their niche is a popular strategy. As a result, they stand to gain a larger following for relatively little financial outlay. Another major benefit of purchasing a Facebook page is the higher return on investment and paid advertising. Fan pages have a greater conversion rate than sponsored advertising strategies. The people who follow your fan page are more likely to respond favorably to your posts if you promote them from that page rather than a new one. Is there a way to buy and sell Facebook pages? The first step in purchasing a Facebook page is determining your goal. Afterward, look for a related page and affiliated with any brand or website. After that, you may reach out to them through email to work out a bargain. There is a slew of online marketplaces where Facebook pages may be sold. List your page at the price you want it to be. Interested people will approach you personally, taking charge of your own brand's online presence. Do you have a burning desire to spread the word about something you're passionate about? Do you possess any talents that continually astound others around you? You may make a Facebook page for those who want to share their interest with the world. If you'd want to talk about anything from cuisine and recipes to exercises and motivational quotes to science and technology, you may do so. Text, photographs, videos and Facebook Live are examples of ways you may express yourself. On how to create a Facebook account, you may make a new fan page right from your profile. You may start a new Facebook page from the left side menu. Adding information to your pages such as profile images, cover photos, page descriptions, and contact information is possible once you have built your page. For followers, you must upload new stuff every day. A Facebook post's longevity is limited by the number of entries it gets per minute, only a few minutes. Because of this, it is best to publish 5 to 10 times a day to reach a larger audience. If you're making videos, one a day should do. But you'll need to promote it in the beginning to get fans, organic followers and shares. Will begin to accrue after your efforts are sustained over time and reach a particular number of followers. You can use the same material to grow your following on other social media platforms, not just on Facebook. Because of this, I recommend focusing on social media platforms like Twitter, Google+, and Instagram. Sharing your content on Facebook might make you a social media celebrity in hours. Exactly how do fan pages get their money? Is it possible to tell how much money fan pages bring in? There is a slew of options available. You will receive sponsored content in the same way that bloggers do. People will pay you to post about their company or include them on your page. By publishing links to fascinating websites, you may increase the number of visitors to your site. If your website subject matter has a strong online market, such as health, fitness or technology, you may be able to advertise some useful items to your readers. It is possible to earn money by promoting tiny websites and other content such as events, films, and information. Renting out your pages to well-known websites associated with your subject is the newest and most popular method of promoting your business online every month. They'll pay you if you put a link to their site on yours. Wow, that's a great offer. The business of t-shirt distribution. Although selling t-shirts isn't a novel idea, it's important to have a plan for selling them on Facebook. On Facebook, there is no desire to purchase anything but rather to have a good time with friends. As a result, providing anything for sale will only dampen their spirits. They may unfollow you as a result of their embarrassment. Here are some tips on how to make money selling t-shirts on Facebook. Make no mistake, this is achievable if you move with the current. If you keep up with the latest fashions, you may make money selling t-shirts. You've all heard that Facebook is a huge repository of memes. Nowadays, On trending news, popular subjects such as movie releases, events, and so on, people produce trolls, hilarious jokes, memes and quotations. Even if you don't use Facebook regularly, you may be aware of this happening daily. You may also get inspiration by keeping an eye on the top trending hashtags daily. These themes are more than adequate to ensure the success of your company. As long as you create t-shirts by current trends, you may expect a high sales volume. When consumers see witty and relevant statements on t-shirts, they're more likely to buy them. T-shirt design software for the web. Ignore the t-shirt design and focus on the content. There are many websites where you can order custom t-shirts, have them printed and then have a portion of the proceeds returned to you. Creating t-shirts with the potential to go viral is all that is required of you. T-shirts may be sold on various platforms, including eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. We've concluded the video. I hope these side business ideas may inspire you to start your own company. You don't need to spend anything to get started with these successful side hustles. Please, ladies, comment and share. We hope you enjoy this information. Thank you again. Toodle.